Let's travel back in time. Bum, 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 bum. Oh, too far back. We don't want to go back to the Egyptians or walk like a dinosaur. Yeah, no. Some of them are good songs. Don't judge me. Welcome to the now. But I grew up in Tillamook County. Tillamook County, as I pretty much understood, and I still understand from the talks that I've had with a few of the older, still living people from Tillamook County, is that you had only so many different individuals, only so many doctors. You had your doctor and that other doctor, and you had that dentist, and that other dentist that was worse, and then and then you had that's that. Yeah, I had doctors too the same way, all the way down on everything. Even stores, major stores, there was only one and one. Period. Thriftway, Safeway, McGregor's, J.C. Penney's. Some of these titles, some of you won't even remember. Other ones, they're passing memories fast. Major corporations, they are gone under. Yeah, there's never really any major thing. It was this kind and that kind. It was like only the 88-cent store. And only like, oh, I'm trying to think here, 2 photo places. There was only 2 movie places. There was only, everything was like 2 or only 1, depending on who owned what. And things ran. There was some things that shouldn't have been, like horrible doctors, like oh, the dentist, dentist, you think dentist, great, painless. It's more like the old joke. Hold on and hope for the best. This dentist is Dr. Coy. Oh my gosh. Oh, I remember when I first forced my mom to do anything, because she knew exactly how stubborn I was in some aspects. Now, what I mean by how stubborn is just this. I got a toothache. Coy had left for a 2-week vacation. Period. Nobody else except for one place, one dentist, one brand new place right across the way on the opposite side of the street, just halfway down the block. And Mom, we did not know that at first. I had to motivate Mom. Not because I didn't know that there was a place there or anything. I didn't know none of that. I just knew I had so much pain. I knew the cause of the pain. I knew enough that I told her the tooth goes with help or I do it myself. I felt so much pain. And this wasn't the first time I ever felt so much pain. From Coy's misworks and mishaps and letting cavities go until they're the size of craters. And these are with my baby teeth. I'm starting to get my real teeth in. Fortunately, the one that's killing me is, it even leaves a residue of pain still, because it never came back. It was my permanent one. One of my permanent ones. That was the last time that Coy ever touched my mouth. Because Mom said, wait, give me 8 hours. Because I had told her this at 3 o'clock in the morning. I was reasonable. I gave her 8 hours. I said, yeah, okay. And end of 8 hours, I will have my tools sterilized and ready, because I was serious. I was going to pull it out. It hurt that much. The Mom found this Navy doctor. No matter how he tried to save it, but what had happened was the pressure had already built up so much that it had already started breaking all the roots and causing, he released the pressure and gave me proper antibiotics, listened to me. Sometimes change is good. That's the whole point to this. People that worked with the old systems, the old ways, that was then. That worked for small groups. Everyone even knows everything has continued to change. From small positions all the way to large positions, depending on the population and the need. Well, we need new change. We need a new way of thinking. We need to employ forms of repayment back to society for wrongdoings that's been done. We need to find ways to literally house everybody, not just those that can afford it right now, but those that could afford it eventually, could do something that could repay, could help build more, put back into the community. There are many reasons why there has been a greater increase over the last years of just simply people becoming homeless. I'll cover those in other aspects to show it out and map it out of what I have observed I have observed, from my information that has been documented and shown, as well as what other people have also said about. I also will talk about other things that will show and get your mind to think. Does this or does this not have some play? Or doesn't it? What's your aspect? The channel can only be as great as you. But change. We have to change. Just a little. Everyone. We have to start working together. We have to remember.